You're gonna love this 10 by 10 12 piece green leafy backdrop. So looks really nice, looks very real. Let me back up a little bit so you can see it. Sorry for the sun a little bit. Let me get on this angle. So it's very, very, very nice. So it's the only thing I didn't like is connecting it. So you're gonna connect them right here like this. But let me just tell you, it hurt my thumb. So when you pop it, when you put it in through the hole, it, at least for me, when I clicked it, it hurt right in the middle of my thumb quite a bit. So just keep that in mind. So, but it is fairly easy to put together. They have several points. You will connect it here, here in the middle, and then another one there, and then you do it also here, here, and right there. So you have to connect it several times. So, but overall, it stays right in place. As you can see, it's been here for several days, and it looks brand new. And it's been through the rain and through the sun and everything. And personally, I just put some nails. Where's the nail? It's in here somewhere. But I basically put it kind of like right through here, or you can put it through here, and then it just holds it well. Let me see if I can find the nail. There we go. So I just put a nail, sorry, right around there somewhere. So I put one there, a nail here in the middle, and then another one over here, and it holds up pretty well. So hope you check it out. Definitely want to get, I'm definitely going to be getting more because I want more on the side and on the bottom. So hope you check it out.